Understanding late evening shoots. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, late evening shoots. It's a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, especially if you're into photography, filmmaking, or simply planning events. So, let's get into it and shed some light on what this phrase truly signifies. First things first, let's break down the phrase, late evening shoots, into two parts to understand it better. The term, late evening, refers to the time of day that is just before nightfall, usually between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m., depending on the geographical location and the season. This time of day is known for its unique natural lighting, often sought after by photographers and filmmakers. The word, shoots, in this context refers to sessions of taking photographs or filming. Therefore, when combined, late evening shoots are photography or filming sessions that take place during the late evening hours, utilizing the specific qualities of natural light available at that time. Now, you might wonder, why do people prefer late evening shoots? There are a few reasons that make this time of day particularly appealing for photographers and filmmakers. 1. Golden hour. Just before sunset, the sunlight is softer, warmer, and more flattering than the harsh midday sun. This period is often called the golden hour, and is highly prized for the beautiful, natural lighting it provides. 2. Natural backdrops. The late evening offers a variety of natural backdrops, from the warm hues of the sunset sky to the early signs of the night. It creates a magical atmosphere that can add a dramatic effect to the shots. 3. Less crowded. Popular locations tend to be less crowded during the late evening, allowing for more uninterrupted shooting time and the ability to capture more natural scenes without the interference of bystanders. For those interested in making the most out of late evening shoots, here are some practical tips. Plan ahead. The golden hour doesn't last long, so it's crucial to plan your shots and setup in advance. Use a tripod. Low light conditions can lead to longer exposure times, so using a tripod will help prevent blurry images. Experiment with settings. Play around with your camera's settings to find the perfect balance for the available light. Manual mode can be particularly useful during these times. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of late evening shoots for you. Whether you're a budding photographer, a seasoned filmmaker, or just someone curious about the intricacies of the English language, understanding such phrases can enhance your communication skills and creative endeavors. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in exploring its vast landscapes and discovering the nuances that make it so rich and vibrant. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.